I'm Irani Zoroastrian, and I don't know whether you all know Zoroastrians are like, there are two types of Zoroastrians, there are Parsis and Iranis, and basically we came from Persia, and we escaped from there because there was this Islamic invasion. Oops. So we came from there on mule back, okay? So my great-grandparents, they came on mule back, and they were potato farmers, they were really poor. And so this is 1961, where the population was really huge, and they were all having love affairs and producing lots of babies. And it's 1981, and the population dropped. It was 70,000. Now in 1981, it was 50,000. So you know there are fewer people, fewer love affairs, and so these are statistics from this census. And I don't think you're enjoying my side. And 91. This is almost like bordering to where I am. So I don't have much to choose from. Very few Parsi men. My mom wants me to marry a Parsi and produce babies. I'm supposed to produce at least 10 babies. Okay, there you have it. You have dinosaurs, tigers. There was a Twitter campaign right now. I don't know if you all saw it. NDTV ran Save the Parsis. They had a Twitter hashtag. Sorry, they had a... Okay, yeah, so that's going to be the situation pretty much. Okay, it's a disclaimer. I'm going to talk about 4 types of Bawa boys that have to pick. But I'm telling you all, these are not all the Bawa boys. There might be others who are outside these categories. Okay, so please don't. I know this is going to be uploaded on YouTube or whatever. I don't want any Orthodox Parsis to come and attack me. Okay, it's the first type. These are the Parsi Bawa biker boys. They love their bikes. They clean them with saliva. And they have. Okay, if you check the corner, they play football on their bikes. The second is the Parsi boy who likes to give abuses. He'll give abuses in all languages: Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, Tarito, Terito, and all kinds of bad words. Okay, and they have basically, it's like a dictionary of bad words. You'll see them hanging out in Parsi parks and stuff. The third type, okay, this is my third choice, statues. Most Bawas are, I think I like this choice. I like these the best because they're very animal friendly, as you can see, and I love animals. And yeah, the fourth type is the Bag Bandar. So he basically only hangs out with his Parsi friends. He only talks in Gujarati. He likes to only chill with them. He'll upload pictures only of his Parsi friends on Facebook. So I don't know if I want to hang out with a guy like that because I don't know. Okay, that's something. That's what my mom and my kaki and my aunties look like. So they don't want me to end up looking like that. That's why they think that I should get married fast. And yeah. So there's a lot of pressure for my family, and there's also a lot of pressure for my friends because they all want to eat patra food and they all want to eat the custard and the ice cream. So you know there's so much pressure. So I really need to find a guy. I don't know if there's any guy over here. Okay, so that's the Bombay Parsi Panchayat. I don't know how many of you all know about this group. They have their own elections in the Parsi community, and basically their main objective is to increase the race. They believe in purity of race and not mixing and middling, which I don't know if it... Okay, that's what their main goal is, make love. Okay, the vultures are extinct, almost extinct. I don't know if you all know about where we... the towers of silence where we keep our dead and the vultures basically come and eat them. And they have all these events, okay? So I had been to one of these events, and it's like a Parsi speed dating kind of thing. And they play funnies. It's really weird. I mean, it's cool, but yeah. So they have these weird games like musical arms. So all the guys are standing like this, and all the girls have to go and put their arms inside their arms. And okay, that's what Parsi speed dating looks like. So yeah. So it's fun, yeah. And the music in the background is usually Daddy Cool and DISCO and the body dance, which is funny. Okay, that's Parsi social networking site. Yeah, so we have lots of stuff up there: blood bank, careers, matrimonials, and yeah. So if you get married to a Parsi, you produce one child, you're good. If you produce two children, you get money, cash of 1,000 rupees. I don't know whether it's only for one day or for 1 month or for 1 year. It's 1,000 bucks. And if you produce 3 children, you get 1,500. I don't know how many diapers you can buy with 1,500, but yeah. And yeah, these are the initiatives by the youth group. They basically want Parsis to mingle and, you know, have affairs or whatever. So they have all these kayaking things, rafting and all. Yeah. And this is basically what is going to happen in 220. Most of us are going to just be statues. So I'm hoping to do something big, maybe something on Twitter and have my statue up there, maybe with a wing with some wings or something. Yeah. So.
Thank you.